Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change username in TikTok. When you first sign up with TikTok, you also provide with a very generic username and it's important that you change it immediately. First step is launch your TikTok app on your mobile device. Then tap on profile located at the bottom right in the app. Then select the edit profile option is here. Then tap on username is the second option. Enter your new username, remove first. If your new username is not available, then TikTok will let you know when you are typing the new username. It will also provide alternative username related to ones you want. Hit the save once you have made the change. Your new profile link will also be shown below. There are several other things you need to be aware of before you change your username. First, your username can only be changed once every 30 days. So make sure it's once you can live with at least for the period.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.